Breaking news from the Treasury. They have announced that the Governor of the Bank of England, Mark Carney, will continue as Governor until January 2020. Let's bring in our economics editor, Ed Conway. There has been some speculation in the last couple of weeks about whether he would stay on later to see the country through Brexit. Now confirmed.
Now confirmed, he will extend his term. He was initially going to stay until next summer, so July next year, and now he is going to extend that, and he is going to stay until the start of 2020. It's a much shorter extension, I think, actually, than a lot of people had been expected. He's still formally under the terms of legislation. He is supposed to be serving all the way through till the summer of 2021, but he said in the Treasury Select Committee hearing last week that he would be willing to stay on if that would help with the transition when it came to Brexit. There he is, Mark Carney. And we have got the confirmation today from the Treasury that he will indeed be staying on. This is what the Chancellor said. "I'm delighted that the Governor has agreed to stay in his role for a further 7 months to support a smooth exit from the European Union and provide vital stability for our economy." Of course, it means that the Governor will still be in place after the UK has formally left the EU, if indeed that does go ahead as planned next March, but that it means that the Treasury will still have to try to find a replacement for him in time for the UK's the end of the transition period, which may well be another year or two. And we have a statement from the Governor just coming through as well now. He said, "I recognise in this critical period, it's important everyone does whatever they can to support a smooth and successful Brexit. I am willing to do whatever I can in order to promote a successful Brexit and an effective transition at the bank. And I can confirm I'd be honoured to extend my term through to January 2020. As I said, a shorter extension, I think, than a lot of people had expected. And it still means the Treasury will need to start looking for a new candidate to replace Mark Carney as Bank of England Governor really quite soon, so perhaps within the next kind of 7 months or so. But nonetheless, it does mean that he will be in place that little bit longer, for better or for worse. He does infuriate some people, particularly those Brexiteers who believe that he is talking down the economy. But by the same token, there are many people who wanted that stability at the Bank of England during this period. And partly that's to try and ensure that there can be an appropriate replacement for him in due course.
OK, Ed, thank you very much.